Assets are the plant, vehicles, computers, and other equipment that we use in the day-to-day running of a business. These assets might last for many years. The application includes a special routine for the setup of an asset and specification of its price and its economic life, which in turn the application uses to calculate monthly depreciation. In this example, we have set up an asset that has a purchase price of £5,000, and we have determined that it should last for 10 years, or 120 months. On the first of each month, the application will calculate depreciation of £41.66 and charge this to our profit and loss account from this asset account. Assets are normally created when we process the invoice from the supplier, so for example, we have ordered and taken receipt of a new brake press on a supplier invoice dated the 25th of November. We know that this line item doesn't already exist, so we are going to create an asset order item by firstly giving it a code and then a name and a description. Click Save. We click Add Line Item and select Brake Press from the list. Add a supplier reference, a price, a VAT value, then click Save. Because the line item was flagged as an asset item, the application has taken us straight to the asset account listing screen, and you'll see that this latest purchase has not had its setup completed. We need to select and edit the following details. We can update the account code, account name, serial number, its location if required, and the type of asset. You will see that we have a default economic life of 120 months, which we can accept or edit. The purchase price and the date have been taken from the supplier purchase invoice. Once we've updated this record, the application will calculate the depreciation each month based on the purchase price and the economic life of £194.44 per month. If the installation is not yet complete, we can suppress this calculation of depreciation by marking the asset as work in progress. We then click Update, and we can see that the asset has now been flagged as set up. Because this asset was purchased in November and the current system date is December, the application will have automatically created the first month's depreciation, which is shown here. If at any time we wish to edit the asset, we can change some of the basic detail or even the economic life of the asset by extending or shortening its economic life. This will affect any future depreciation values. Having done that, we must click Update. We can also report on depreciation for all assets and the activity on any particular asset account. When disposing of an asset, click Asset Sale, and thereafter the asset can be treated in the same way as any other item for sale with respect to a sales invoice. The unit price will be the price at which the asset is sold or part exchanged. We then click Save and Send in the same way as with any other invoice.